Flirting is an art, an essential part of human interaction, and an intriguing part of attraction. Whether you're interested in dating, building connections, or simply enjoying playful conversation, flirting plays a significant role in communication. It's more than just a way to express romantic interest. It's a powerful tool for creating connections, boosting confidence, and making interactions more enjoyable. In this guide, we'll explore why to flirt, how to do it effectively, and when it's the right time to flirt. Why flirt? The benefits of flirting. Flirting is not just about attracting romantic partners. It offers a variety of benefits, both personal and social. Boosts confidence. Flirting can give you a confidence boost. When you engage in playful banter or subtle compliments, you're often met with positive feedback, which in turn reinforces your self-esteem. It makes you feel good about yourself and helps you feel more comfortable in social situations. Enhances social interactions. Flirting can make interactions lighter, more engaging, and fun. It adds a layer of playfulness to conversations and breaks the ice in otherwise awkward encounters. Whether you're flirting with someone you're interested in or just engaging with a group of friends, it creates an enjoyable atmosphere. Improves communication skills. Flirting often requires a good sense of humor, awareness of body language, and the ability to read social cues. These skills are transferable to many aspects of life, from work environments to casual friendships. Flirting helps sharpen your ability to express interest and gauge others' responses. Attracts attention. When you flirt, you're often signaling your romantic interest in someone. This can help you stand out and attract the attention of potential partners. It shows that you're comfortable with expressing your attraction and that you're open to connecting with others. Creates emotional connection. Flirting can lead to deeper emotional connections, particularly when it's done with genuine interest and respect. It allows you to express your feelings in a playful and subtle manner, which can help build rapport with someone. Increases fun and excitement. Flirting adds a sense of excitement and adventure to everyday interactions. It breaks up the monotony and makes socializing more thrilling. Whether it's through teasing, complimenting, or just being a little cheeky, flirting keeps things light and fun. How to flirt effectively. Flirting is an art that requires balance. Too little can make you seem uninterested, too much can come off as overwhelming or insincere. Here's how to flirt effectively. 1. Smile and make eye contact. The first step in flirting is to establish a warm and inviting connection. A genuine smile signals warmth and openness, while eye contact shows you're interested. Eye contact can be powerful. It conveys attention, respect, and intrigue without saying a word. 1. Tip. Keep eye contact for a few seconds, then look away casually before reconnecting. It gives a sense of playfulness and mystery. 2. Use body language. Your body speaks volumes, often more than your words. Use open and confident body language to signal that you're comfortable and engaged. Leaning slightly forward, maintaining an open posture, and avoiding crossed arms can make you appear more approachable. 1. Tip. Avoid fidgeting or looking too distracted. Pay attention to the other person's body language as well. It will provide cues for how they're responding to you. 3. Compliment genuinely. Compliments can be a great way to flirt when they feel authentic. Focus on giving compliments that are personal and thoughtful, such as appreciating someone's sense of humor, intelligence, or unique qualities. Avoid overused lines like, "You have beautiful eyes," and try to be more specific. 1. Tip. Compliment something other than physical appearance, like their accomplishments or personality traits, to make it feel more meaningful. 4. Use light teasing. Teasing, when done in good spirits, can be a fun way to flirt. It shows that you're comfortable enough to joke around, but it should never cross the line into being mean-spirited. Light teasing should make the other person laugh and feel playful, not hurt or uncomfortable. 1. Tip: be mindful of the other person's reactions. If they laugh and respond positively, you're on the right track. If they seem uncomfortable or defensive, dial it back. 5. Be playful with your words. Flirting can be done through witty banter and playful language. Use humor, sarcasm, or clever wordplay to keep the conversation light-hearted. However, make sure your words are respectful and don't overstep boundaries. 1. Tip: use humor as a tool for connection, but avoid inappropriate or offensive jokes. Keep it fun and positive. 6. Mirror their actions. Mirroring the other person's body language subtly shows that you're in sync with them. If they lean forward or smile, you can do the same. Mirroring builds rapport and helps create a sense of connection. 1. Tip: be subtle with mirroring. If it feels too obvious, it might come off as disingenuous. 7. Listen actively. Flirting is not just about speaking, it's about listening too. Show genuine interest in the other person by asking questions and listening attentively to their responses. Active listening shows that you care about what they're saying and are paying attention. 1. Tip: ask open-ended questions that allow the other person to share more about themselves. This gives you the opportunity to engage further in the conversation. When to flirt. Knowing the right time. Flirting is a fun and engaging activity, but knowing when to flirt is crucial. Timing and context are key. Here are some ideal situations to flirt. 1. During social gatherings. Parties, events, or casual get-togethers are great opportunities to flirt. Social settings offer a relaxed atmosphere where people are open to light-hearted interactions. Whether it's a friend's birthday party or a work event, there are natural opportunities to flirt in these contexts. 1. Tip: if the other person seems receptive and is engaging in similar behavior, it's a good indication that flirting is welcome. 2. When you feel confident. Flirting works best when you're confident. If you're feeling good about yourself and in a positive mindset, your energy will be more attractive. Flirt when you're feeling comfortable in your skin and have the right mindset for playful interaction. 1. Tip: if you're feeling nervous or self-conscious, it might not be the best time to flirt. Confidence is key. 3. When you share a mutual interest. Flirting can be particularly effective when you have shared interests or are already engaged in a conversation about something you both enjoy. Whether you're discussing a book, a hobby, or a travel experience, flirting about mutual passions can strengthen the connection. 1. Tip: if the person seems equally invested in the conversation, it's a great time to subtly introduce flirtation. 4. When it feels natural. Flirting should never feel forced. If the conversation is already flowing smoothly and there's a natural chemistry between you and the other person, it's the perfect moment to introduce flirting. Don't overthink it, just let it flow naturally. 1. Tip: don't feel the need to flirt in every interaction. If it doesn't feel right, it's okay to just have a regular conversation without any flirting. 5. When you're both comfortable. Flirting should happen when both people feel comfortable with each other. If the other person seems hesitant or doesn't seem to enjoy the interaction, it's important to pull back. Never flirt with someone who seems uninterested or uncomfortable, as this can create an unpleasant experience. 1. Tip: pay attention to body language and verbal cues. If they're leaning away, avoiding eye contact, or giving short answers, it may not be the right time to flirt. Flirting do's and don'ts. Do: be confident and genuine. Don't: be overly aggressive or pushy. Do: Respect boundaries. Don't use inappropriate language or make the other person uncomfortable. Do have fun and enjoy the moment. Don't overthink every interaction. Let flirting happen naturally. Final thoughts. Flirting is a delightful and playful way to build connections, boost your confidence, and even spark romantic interest. Whether you're looking to engage in light-hearted banter, deepen your emotional connection, or simply have fun, understanding why, how, and when to flirt can make all the difference. By learning the art of flirting with respect, confidence, and timing, you can enjoy more fulfilling social interactions, whether in a casual setting or a more intimate context. Remember, flirting should always feel natural and fun, so let your charm shine through and see where it takes you.